Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Mr. Moloto has been trending for the past 2 days, you guys. It was reported just yesterday that he was arrested for arson. It was said that he burned down a house of his rival, of a fellow rival rehab owner. Her name is Lebo, and it is said that at the time there were like 7 people in the house. Lebo was nearly Patnaya, Mr. Moloto at the beginning, and it is said that the rehab center has been split into like pieces. So Lebo has her own rehab, you guys, and Lebo's mother was being interviewed, and she basically gave her own thoughts regarding what they feel. She stated that she feels like their lives are now in danger. She said that Mr. Moloto could have unalived 7 people in that house. Now they live in fear. So in the video that I'm about to post, it has its subtitles. Please do watch it, and of course engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
But I am like to feel so therapy.
Lena le atse about breakaway but itlile bjang.
Breakaway itlo Mr. Moloto o ntshitse Mr. Makhura le mo CK a shala yena fe. So ba kushare ora ra sana mereko ba tswela pele ka tjabo.
Di tlhagile neng taba e?
Last year bo June.
Be go na le dintwa tse be di diega magareng ka bona ka gore nkusha gore go ne le se ileng sa feltsa se tlhagile se mmuisha gana mo
ke morna le rena re maketseng gore why a bantšha ka ra CK mola ba ditse ba bereka botsa
le mmutisha
nna ga se le re mmutisha o tla ditse ba bona be.
Okay,
mara se sila bo yena o ramba ga go sa tshobele ka re se o kwa bjang le ko safe le na le lena
o tshogile yena mara le rena re ke safe because re nyakile re swetse kanto and re le 7 ka moka ka monto.